Good morning, good people. Today we are in Belgrade and this will be a video about the GoPro versus the mobile photography. And today also I will have a special guest. His name is Bert. He is a food expert and we did a YouTube video live yesterday. So today I was having a great idea to show him one of my favorite foods that I like to eat when I'm in Belgrade. But if you are first time here on my channel, hi, welcome, subscribe if you are interested into learning some photography, retouching or recording or editing videos, or if you like to see traveling content, I have it all on my channel. And today, as I said, we are going to meet with Bert and to give him a challenge. I came to Belgrade this weekend to attend a friend's metal night called Scandinavia Night, which was held in the place called Kuglaš. And yesterday, as I said, we went to my other friend's night where she was DJ in this place called Berlin Monroe. And this is the place where I took Bert to sit and have a drink with us, and later his girlfriend saw our YouTube live and she wanted to join us. So we had a very good night, and today I woke up late. I'm not hungover because, I don't know, the beer was really good and I still haven't had my breakfast and I'm starving. But first, let me tell you something more about GoPro versus smartphone photography. The first thing that you need to know about the GoPro is that it is an action camera and it is very well built. So when you want to go somewhere to travel or to go underneath the water, you can bring your GoPro with you because it can withstand a lot of different environments, and you can also create amazing videos. I am now vlogging with my GoPro, and when you enter the photo menu, you can choose the Pro Tune, and then you can select many different things like shutter speed, and you can adjust your ISO, you can adjust your white balance, and also you can shoot raw photography. This is very good when you want to edit your photos later and to bring out the best quality that you can. Smartphone has different advantages. Let me tell you about it. The thing about the smartphone is that you have bigger advantage of it because it has also other functions besides the camera. But if you are only going to travel with one thing, you will be okay with smartphones today, because many of them also have the Pro mode and you can also fine-tune the shutter speed. You cannot adjust the aperture, but on some you may, but I don't advise this setting. But you can also set the white balance same as on your GoPro. You can also adjust other things, but the main difference will be the quality. And also the photography with your smartphone gives you an advantage because you have the option to choose different lenses. On GoPro you have the wide point of view when you are shooting raw photography. You also, I believe, have the option for linear, which can help you to straighten up the lines, but I don't think that you have the raw option. I need to check this out. But when you're shooting on your smartphone and when you have the raw option, you can shoot in your first main camera option, then you can choose the wide camera, and then I believe many today's phones have the option for the telephoto lens. These cameras will use different sensors on your smartphone, and depending which brand you own, it will be different. I will now show you the differences between the GoPro photos unedited, the JPEG ones, and I will also show you the photos created with my smartphone. And also in the comments I will ask you to say which one is which. Let's see how much can you see a difference. If you are a traveler like my friend Bert and you like to take photos with your GoPro and smartphone, the best way to edit your photos on the go is the Lightroom mobile app. I use my own custom presets when I edit my photos, and this app will also be useful for anyone who is just starting out. I think I'm seeing Bert now. Yay!
How's it going, man?
Well, hello! Welcome to my today's vlog about GoPro versus smartphone photography.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take you to a food challenge.
Sounds great to me.
I'm going to show you one of my favorite places where I have ate before. I really hope that they are working right now.
Did not eat anything at all, so I'm
I
sorry.
haven't ate anything from last night, but today I wanted to surprise him before I go to Novi Sad, and now let's go and have some breakfast.
Sounds so good.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you are on Republic Square or Trg Republike, you can come here to this place. It is called Potatoes, and please be open, please be open. Oh, no! Food challenge went bad.
Guys, it's closed. This is what happens sometimes. You know, you never know. Places can be closed on Mondays, maybe.
Where should I take you now?
I think we can go somewhere else and try some other traditional food.
I was so hyped up for this, but... Okay, let's go somewhere else and try to find a proper breakfast. Okay, so the potatoes are not working, unfortunately, but my friend suggested this one place called InterGalactic. I have never been there. She says they have pretty good burgers, and I don't know what to expect because I really wanted Bert to have these potatoes. I can only hope that it will be open in the next few days. Or maybe he says that Mondays are the days when some burgers are closed. I don't know by what logic is that, but I don't know. I'm really hungry and I cannot think right now in sentences and make words now. I'm trying to be how to human. I'm really excited to eat, but I don't want to be overexcited and then to have big expectations and then be disappointed. We shall see how it happens. Okay, so we have found the InterGalactic Diner. Canon Classic. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Maybe we did not have potatoes, but this is a really good replacement for the breakfast.
2 hours later.
I have stolen the GoPro Max from my friend Bert. I now look pretty weird for this lens. We have 8 in InterGalactic. It was pretty okay, and I soon will be leaving for Novi Sad. Yep.
That's nice, yeah.
Okay. This is very strange. Okay. Do it like this. Yeah.
Another thing that you can only...
Okay, we are back on my GoPro 7 Black, and thank you Bert for the Max experience. As you can see, the photos that are created with the Max and my GoPro 7 Black are almost similar because they have the wide angle field of view, but my Huawei has also the wide camera, but it is not as wide as the GoPro. So basically, what can you learn from this video? If you wish to travel a lot and you like taking photos and you don't mind the distortion or the curved edges on the side of your frame, then go with the GoPro, because it is also useful for recording your vlogs or going underwater if you like to go surfing or whatever. But if you are not that type of person who would like to have thoughts about additional gear or batteries or whatever, then your smartphone is really a good choice, but invest in a really good one. As far as the camera goes, yeah, it's pretty much easy. Just have the pro mode, just have the raw option, and edit your photos in Lightroom and have my presets. And I don't know, I think that will be for this video. Like, share, subscribe. Also check out Bert on his YouTube channel. I will link it down below. And I don't know, we will see you in the next video. Up until then, stay sharp and stay focused. Пока-пока.